Hello everybody, welcome to English with Alina. In this exercise, we are going to recognize common patterns for no and not. Use no if followed by a noun. Use not if it is not followed by a noun and if it goes after a helping verb. I am not interested. Interested is not a noun. It is an adjective. Am is a helping verb. Use not. Not interested. I am not interested. I have no or not questions. Questions is a noun. Use no. No questions. I have no questions. I do no or not have questions. Do is a helping verb. Have is a main verb. Use not. I do not. I do not have questions. She does no or not understand. Does is a helping verb. Use not before the main verb. She does not understand. It's no or not a good time. An apostrophe S is a contraction for is. Is a helping verb. Use not. It's not a good time. They have no or not problems. Problems is a noun. Use no. No problems. They have no problems. This is no or not difficult. Is a helping verb and difficult is an adjective. Use not. Not difficult. This is not difficult. We have no or not information. Information is a noun. No information. We have no information. He did no or not like it. Did is a helping verb. Use not. He did not like it. There are no or not mistakes. Mistakes is also a noun, so is it no or not? Tell me in the comments. To reserve a spot in English Speaking Club on Wednesdays, click the link in my bio.